Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 373 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this matte eyeliner that's from the brand S.he makeup, S.he makeup, and I found this from ShopMissA, so it's only $1, it's cruelty free. I'm pretty sure I've never tried anything from this brand, but I had heard about it, so I was very interested to try it out when I heard that it was a good $1 makeup product. So very interested to see how this is going to be. So this does claim to be long lasting and precise and ultra fine. So let's see about that. Oh, it's a very stiff felt tip applicator, which can be difficult to work with, but let's see how it swatches. Oh yeah, so I just drew a line on my hand and it dried down pretty quickly to definitely a matte finish. Very pretty, true black shade. So I hope this applicator is going to be workable for me. Just gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna start out by lining my upper lash line. And I really like that this is matte. I don't think I really have any other matte liquid eyeliners. But gosh, this applicator is a struggle, and it's also pointy and kind of painful on the eyelid. I'm definitely not able to get a thin line. And that's because of the point, like it doesn't hold much product on it, it doesn't bend, and it's like poking my eye, so I want to use more of the side. And it also doesn't go on in like a smooth line, it's very jaggedy, so I'm going in with the makeup wipe to kind of clean it up. I really wish this had been a brush tip applicator. That matte black finish though is pretty nice. I was just thinking I would use it to line my lower lash line, but I'm not even going to chance that because it's so pointy and stiff that it could really hurt my eyeball. So I'm not even going to do that. This is not a product that I would use on my lower lash line. Okay, now I know I'm not an expert at liquid eyeliner, but this is pretty sad about how this actually turned out, and I don't think it's just due to my skills. That applicator is so difficult to work with, but it does dry down to a very nice matte shade that is completely smudge proof, and it's not wearing away, so it is very long lasting. So that's pretty good for a $1 product, but just so difficult to apply that it is not going to be an eyeliner that I reach for, even though I really like the finish of it and I really like the color. But so if you're the type of person that really likes those stiff felt tip applicators, then this would be a good option for you, but I prefer a flexible felt tip or a brush tip to just get more of a smooth line. This was way too difficult to work with and too painful to work with. I'm glad this was only $1. Not a great first impression of the brand S.he, but that's not going to stop me from trying out other products. So if you've tried anything that you like from this brand, let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully tomorrow's makeup product will be more successful than this one here. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.